We're gonna learn how we can install the external plugins to Claude app. Firstly, I'm on the Claude desktop app. To install the third-party plugins, click on Customize from the left. Here we'll get the plugins option. Go to Add Plugin. If you go to Browse Plugins, it will list you all the plugins given by the Claude app itself. But we're gonna add the external plugins. So go to Create Plugin and then we're gonna go to Upload Plugin. Here you have to upload your plugin file. It should be in zip file. Now the main task here is to search for the third-party plugins. So we're gonna use the internet and we're gonna just do a Google search for awesome Claude plugins GitHub. You'll find several repositories on GitHub. Some of them will not work. So we have to find the plugins that will actually work. I've got this popular repo, Compose.esq. It has got awesome Claude plugins. Click here. Now if you scroll down, all these files are plugins. You're gonna download all these plugins in a zip file. Now this is the main folder where we have got the plugins. So we're gonna copy this link here, Control C, open new tab, and we're gonna Google search GitHub directory download. Find the first link here, download GitHub directory, and on this box paste the link and then enter. It will automatically download these files, that is plugins files, in a zip format. And it's here. Let's bring this zip file to desktop. And we have got these plugins in a zip file. We're gonna firstly extract, right click and then extract. So we have got this plugins folder here extracted, open it, and we're gonna go one step further. These all are the plugins. Now find the plugin that you wanna install. Suppose this one here, Connect Apps. Open this plugin. If you click on this Claude plugin folder, we have got the plugin. So we're gonna go back once again and just right click on the plugin folder and go to add to archive, or you're just gonna zip the file. You can select the archive format as zip. If you don't have the RAR installed just like me here, you're just gonna zip the file. Click on OK. And you'll find the zip file at the bottom. It's here, Connect Apps. This is what we should upload to Claude app. Go back to Claude app, bring the window once again, drag it to right, and drag and drop the plugin folder here and just upload. Thus it works just like here. We have successfully installed the third-party plugins to Claude app. These plugins were from this repository, Compose.esq. Link of this GitHub repository will be given in description. Just one more GitHub repo for plugins. This is one more repository, Jeremy Longsword. Here you will find lots of things beside the plugins like packages, plugins, skills, scripts, etc. To install plugins from this repository, we're gonna go to plugins here. Now you can just download all the plugins just like before by copying the link here and going to GitHub directory download, and you can just download the plugins just like before and you can install plugins to Claude app. Just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.